Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing without website. Well, I will actually show you probably the best YouTube alternative out there and how you can use it to promote your affiliate offers for free. And because this is YouTube alternative, it is available worldwide. And you can use it to promote ClickBank affiliate offers, Digistore24 affiliate offers, JVZoo, Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin.
Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to do a research, and then based on that research you will choose your niche. Now, good thing about this method is you can actually promote multiple products successfully with this method. Now, after you choose your niche, next thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote, and for that you can use ClickBank. Now, if ClickBank doesn't work in your country, you can successfully apply this method on Digistore24 as well. All you have to do is just come here on Digistore24 Marketplace and find the product that you wish to promote. And then start promoting that product with this method. And like I said, with this method you can promote multiply products, and you can actually find most of the ClickBank products on Digistore24 as well. So like I said, all you have to do is just find that product and start promoting it here on Digistore24. But I personally prefer ClickBank, so what I need to do, I need to come on ClickBank Marketplace. So I will click here on Marketplace. So let's say I'm in weight loss niche, so what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click on health and fitness and then on diet and weight loss. And I will actually sort this by gravity, and I will scroll here and I will click must have affiliate tools page. So what you need to do next is you actually need to research all of these products, and you need to check their sales pages, their affiliate tools pages, you need to read some reviews, you need to go on SimilarWeb, you need to do research, and based on that research you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. As you can see, I can make $49.83 per sale on average, and gravity is 267, which means in past 30 days at least 260 people sold this product, and I'm actually promoting this product and I'm making good money. And the reason for that is these guys actually have a really good sales page. So what I need to do, I actually need to open their affiliate tools page in the new tab to check it out, to see all the tools that they are actually offering us in order to promote their product. Now I will pause this video for a second just to log in. Okay, I logged in, and here you can see all the tools that they're offering us in order to promote their product. As you can see here, product information, banners, social media, lead magnets, landing pages, videos. And videos is exactly what I'm looking for. So I will click here on videos, and they are actually giving us almost 100 videos that we can use to promote their product. Now this is really important. You can use these videos only to promote this product here, custom keto diet. You cannot use these videos to promote other keto diet videos. You can use them only to promote custom keto diet. Now that is really important. Now, it is always best if you can create these videos by yourself. Now, to do that, you can simply go on Fiverr and pay someone to make those videos for you. You can make those videos by yourself in Canva, or maybe even best option is to actually create these videos by yourself in InVideo, and you can actually create a free account in InVideo and make those videos that you can use to promote this product here, custom keto diet. But if you don't want to make these videos, if you don't know how to make these videos, or English is not your first language, you can use these videos here that they prepared for you to promote this product, custom keto diet. So all you have to do is just click here on, for example, on the first one, just click here on to download it, and click here OK to save the file, and you will save zipped file on your desktop. Okay, so now we need to upload this video somewhere in order to start promoting this product here. But let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use. When we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that last month this website got 94 million visits. And when we scroll here, we will see that most of their visitors are actually coming from highly developed countries. United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and France. Almost 50%. And here we can see that most of their traffic is direct traffic and search traffic. More than 60%. And that is the best kind of traffic. And the website that we are going to use is called Vmail. And Vimeo is actually a YouTube competitor. It's exactly the same. It is a video hosting platform. And all you have to do is just click here on join for free and you can create a free account. Now, after you create your free account, they will actually offer you different kind of premium plans, but you don't really need that. All you have to do is just scroll to the bottom and click on proceed to your profile, and that's it. And after you register, you will come to your dashboard, to your Vimeo dashboard, and it looks like this. And now you actually need to upload a video. And you can actually click here new video, and when you click here you can upload video, you can create a video, and you can go live. And when you click here on create video, you can actually create your video with Vimeo Video Maker totally free. And here you can see different kind of templates that they are offering you to create your videos. And here you can see free videos, ads, e-commerce videos, corporate, personal, food and drink. Here you can see Facebook, Instagram. Here you can see marketing, automotive, slideshow, and so on and so on. And you can use these templates to create your videos totally free. Just play with this option just to see all the things that you can do with their templates in order to create different kind of videos to promote this product here, custom keto diet, or whatever product you are promoting. But because we already have a video, what we need to do, we need to scroll back to the top and click here new video and then upload video. To upload video that we downloaded from their affiliate tools page. And just go back here. And again, here you can see more options. You can upload video, you can use Video Maker, you can go live, or you can screen record. All of that with the help of Vimeo tools, totally free. But like I said, we already have a video. So what we need to do, we need to click here on choose files. And we need to find video that we downloaded. Let me just find that video. This is the video. Okay, it's uploading video, and now I need to add title. So I will simply change this to how to start a keto diet. That is the title of this video. And here I need to add description of this video. And in description I can say something like this. I already prepared this, as you can see here. And here I actually added call to action. As you can see here, click here to get your custom keto diet plan. And all I have to do now is just go back on ClickBank or Digistore24, click here to promote and get your affiliate link. ClickBank affiliate link, Digistore24 affiliate link, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or whatever affiliate network you use. Click here on generate hook link and click here to copy. Copied, minimize this, go back on Vimeo, and I can actually paste that link, my affiliate link here. And I can just click here, and that's it. I added my description and my affiliate link to this video. Show more, and this is the link, and this is actually a clickable link. And if you can send people to your landing page or bridge page and collect their emails, that would be best solution. But if you cannot, then you can use your affiliate link just like this. And here on the right side you need to choose rating, so I will click here and I will click all audience, because this is suitable for all audience. And when you click here on sharing, you can choose sharing, and actually anybody can see this and anybody can download this. That is why I have chosen here public, and you need to choose public as well. And here you can choose embed. Anybody can embed this video. You need to allow that in order to make people to promote your video if they want to, in order to get even more traffic, even more views to your video. And video is uploaded and it's currently optimizing. When I click here, I can actually get link to this video. As you can see here, I can copy this link. I can copy this link and I can use it to promote my video, to get more traffic, to get more views. I can also publish this video on social media. Just click here in upper right corner on publish to social. And here you will see more options. You can publish it on Facebook, you can publish it on YouTube, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Pinterest. You can also publish it on Shopify or TikTok. And all you have to do is just connect that social media and publish that video on that social media. And that is actually my next advice. You need to start promoting this video by yourself to get even more traffic, to get even more views. And Vimeo will send some traffic to this video, but like I said, you need to start doing that as well. And you can promote this video on related Facebook groups and Facebook fan pages. You can promote it on Instagram, on Twitter, on Tumblr, on Reddit, on Quora, on Pinterest, on related forums, on related blogs, and so on, to get even more views, to get even more traffic to this video, and potentially to get even more people to click on your affiliate link and to make even more sales. And when you actually search for keto, in this case on Vmail, you will see that many people are uploading keto related videos on Vmail. And when you, for example, click on the first one here, let me just click on it to open it to see how many views this video actually got. So let me just scroll, let's just pause this. And when you scroll here, you will see this video got 316,000 views. 316,000 views. Now imagine how many clicks they actually got on this, because this is shortened link, it is not clickable. But if you use raw link, it will be clickable. And like I said, all you have to do is just start promoting your own Vimeo videos, and also Vimeo will send you some traffic, will send you some views. And as you saw, Vimeo is getting 94 million visits every month. So this is how you do affiliate marketing by driving free traffic without website.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.